Hello everyone, if this is your mistake, stay and watch the video. Since easy solutions, there are times that there are not. This time we have a laptop, a bay, which presents us with that smart error, which says that the hard drive has an error, please replace it. And press continue. Well, in this situation there are times that with a cleanup they remain, but in this situation if a replacement of a hard drive is necessary, well, we are going to start proceeding to make a quick change. I in this case already have a hard drive is a Western lines and it is 500 gigabytes, which I am going to replace. Since that hard drive is the same, we will proceed to turn it off. Right now we have to turn off the direct one. It turns off, it disconnects, it removes this cover. I already did it to save time. If you have this anti-static bracelet, it is advisable to put it on the battery. Remove the battery. Now we do reopen it. Press the ignition for about 10 seconds. Ready. We remove the hard drive. This hard drive, the only thing that to remove it is pulled back and ready. We remove it very carefully. We put the other hard drive. This hard drive has its eyebrows there. We put his screws on it. The two screws that the cover has, I am not going to put it on yet because I am going to clean the keyboard as well, so I am not going to put the cover on it yet. You can put it on, it is the bad thing when it already appears, that is because it fell off. Or had some error like that, and it is already necessary. It is by forces to forces to forces, that is the one that they replace the hard drive. This time it is already well replaced and all for one equal to its 500 gigabyte mark. We finish assembling. Well, we put its peeler low. We open connect your charger as they disconnect it. And that's it, the Bay computer is ready to be formatted and delivered to the customer. Well, all that remains is to format it. Right now I'm going to format it. That error is very common because when the disks fall, all that happens to them, and unfortunately if it's going to be it is necessary to change the hard drive, because you can replace it in case you do not have much information with a lower capacity that is not so high in price. Since a disk is up to $50, $70 more or less than of this capacity, preferable to put a more basic and if you have your computer for video games, all these kinds of things make you with it, would be convenient for you to forgive me to put one of this an SSD, and so you would not have any problem. Well, right now it is already working. It is not going to mark any of that error right now because it has a hard drive. I say sorry, a CD for this format, and well, I hope you liked it and see you until next time. Ciao.